it is I've got the lamp back on it because where our boost is shit, it won't bake, it blows all the doors open. You can't adjust the pressure, it's just shit. So I'll polish that, lamping it again. Customer's on his way to pick that up. Alan is still masking still in there masking the note up. If we don't get that done today, then hopefully we'll get it done tomorrow morning. Audi R8 panels. They've sunk a bit where I banged it on so heavy. So I'm going to flatten the bollocks out of them and shine them up, get them looking like a bit of glass. I've got the old man looking at me because I'm talking to a camera. Say hi, Father.
Hello.
I want to do some welding videos with the old boy, so he can teach me how to weld and you lot can learn at the same time.
Yeah, how much time have you got, you know?
What, for us or for the viewers?
It's actually a skill, it's not like painting.
Anyway, let us know if you want some welding lessons and I'll get the old boy up here to do it. Right, I'm going to crack on and do some polishing.
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care. Bring it back to the flow, give a dap to your bro, cause the party's so damn fishy.
Upload 3 of 3. Let's sort this camera out. Hello. Didn't quite get done what we wanted to do today. It's been alright. The old man's got all the repairs pretty much done on the boxer. On the boxer. Pulled them out, filled them, have a little look. Yeah, cut around the other side. Nice bit of free labour. He's a good old boy. Rather that than having him slow down. Got a little bit more to do on these R8 panels in the morning. A couple of go-overs. Get rid of them. Notes all ready for the morning. Gonna get that painted. Alan got the Audi wings painted, wherever they are. Oh, they're in the office. Yeah. Just agreed a price to sort this out. We've got to do front end on this. The jiggery pokey. Realigning it. Yeah, paint the whole front end, skirts, polish the sides. Got to strip back the spoiler because that's all blistered. Roof rails and rear bumper. Bit of lacquer peel on that, but that's for another time. So yeah, it's Friday night, I'm going home, take the littluns out for a walk. See you on the other side.